So you can see a couple of loops and twists and drops on Wildfire right there, and there's the climb. Again, it just looks like an old 1880s mill. Get on there if you just want to watch. Get on here if you want to ride it. You can see that first drop right there. One of the reasons it's such a good ride is because when you're going up this first hill here and you do that first drop, which is excellent, I mean, it looks like you're going off the side of a mountain because you can see the view. There's nothing out there. So, I mean, it's kind of like you're in the middle of nowhere and you can see for miles. I mean, it's unbelievable. Great ride. Last time I was here, no problems with fitting on any seats or anything like that. This time, and I just so happened to be in one, rows 3, 4, 5, and 6, I believe, have double buckles just like the Hulk, and Dragon Challenge and Universal, and on Batman they have bigger seats, and I don't know if I need it or not. I just happened to be in one, but it was no problem. I had plenty of room to spare, so great ride. I would compare it easily to Hulk. First drop's great. This is where all the watchers hang out while people are riding. It's the exit for it. I wish I could get that drop. Let's see if I can get it over here.
Okay, watch out!
Nah. Oh well.